really doing this.
Oh my god.
Oh, that is a heaping spoonful.
Wait.
You can see
That
the
is
doubt
a
in his face now.
I know. He's thinking twice about it.
Alright, is it good? Is it good? That's gonna taste terrible too.
I think it's.
Alright.
I think it's good.
Ready? Go. You want another spoonful?
He's actually like chewing it, getting like the saliva works into it so he doesn't have to. Swallow it.
Oh,
Tim.
man.
No, you just gotta swallow it, Tim.
I'm enjoying this way too much.
I see stuff coming out of your mouth.
Oh.
Whoa,
Stop making him laugh, you guys are gonna make him inhale it. Which we call wild.
He's supposed to already.
You just
swallowed
dropped
it.
some.
I'm shocked. I'm shocked he made it this far.
How's it working out, Tim?
Oh, out the nose.
I'm backing up.
Is that doing real good, Tim? Tastes delicious.
No. Don't talk.
You okay, Tim?
When are you gonna be done? I want to go back to work. Whoa, you just dropped some. Oh, I think he's rounding it out.
Yep.
Feeling good.
Just trying to work moisture into all of the awesome cinnamon.
Yeah.
It's working real well, I'm sure.
Oh, you should smile.
I'm pretty sure you already failed because you have the cough.
Should have brought some water.
That's cheating.
That's cheating.
I know for when I'm done.
Oh, yeah, that would have been good.
Yeah, that's gonna
Good.
be a good idea.
You can't get water until you're done for the day.
There's water in the fridge upstairs.
So you fix that bug.
He does.
That's the best $5 I've ever spent.
I don't know if I can finish this last little bit.
You might as well just get it over with him.
Yeah, just swallow it. Probably just a ball of wet cinnamon now.
Yeah.
Yeah, a pretty big ball.
Sure, it tastes fantastic.
No.
Pure cinnamon is delicious.
Actually, it sounds disgusting.
Exactly, that's the whole point.
Does it even taste like cinnamon?
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like cinnamon, but it's like the normal cinnamon people think of is cinnamon sugar.
Yeah, I didn't know if. Oh, whoa, he's gonna
No, I'm
vomit.
not gonna vomit.
I'm backing up.
He went into vomit mode.
You in a vomit mode? I'm gonna go ahead and back up a little bit.
This is so hard to eat.
It's not so easy of a challenge anymore, is it, Tim?
Oh.
Can you bark for the camera, please?
No.
So is it harder than you expected?
Higher ball of cinnamon, he might.
Well, you're supposed to do it in a minute.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, we're at like 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I have.
What?
Hey, Tim, you
I'm
failed.
done.
Sorry, man. How do you feel now? It's a great day going to Disneyland.
I am.
Really? I bet that tasted so much better. I would suggest you go spit that out somewhere. Unless you really want to eat that ginormous ball of cinnamon.
I have to.
You're already like 3 minutes over the challenge, man. Your challenge has failed.
Okay, you done? I'm done.
Matt's done. Matt's walking away.
See you guys later. Have a good Thanksgiving.
You too.
Later.
Good job.
Sell out.